Welcome to my channel, and before we start, please click subscribe, or you can also donate to support us.
Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to change Windows 10 password with 4 ways. First way, change Windows 10 password via local users and groups. First option, through computer management. Click computer management. Choose local users and groups. Second option, through Windows key plus R and type. Click users and right click to the user you want to change. Click process, enter new password, and also confirm your new password. Second way, change Windows 10 password through CTRL-ALT-del. Press CTRL-ALT-del. Choose change a password. Enter old password. Put new password. Retype new password. And submit. Your password has been changed. Click OK. Third way, change Windows 10 password via user accounts. Find Control Panel and choose it. On the Control Panel, choose User Account. Click User Accounts. You have to click Manage another account to change Windows 10 password. Choose the user account you want to change and click Change the password. Enter your current password. Put new password. Retype new password. And click Change password. Fourth way, or the last way, change Windows 10 password via PC settings. This is same way like the third way, change Windows 10 password via user accounts, but when you in the user accounts control panel, you don't have to click manage another account to change Windows 10 password, but choose make change to my account in PC settings. When you are in the PC settings, click Sign In option and choose password. Enter your current password. Put new password. Put confirm password and fill password hint. After that, click next button and also click finish button. That is 4 ways how to change Windows 10 password. If you are any question, feel free to comment and don't forget click subscribe or you can also donate to support us.